Rise and shine, my blossoming beauties. It is I, Rosemary Bush, and welcome to the 5th part in my LGBT flag makeup tutorials. So if you want to know how to get this intersex makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start taking my primer, so using that thingy. I'm just going to put several dots on my face, and as you can see there's a little drippy bit on the left part, but I'm just going to use that to rub it all in. Next I'm going to take my foundation, so I'm getting my beauty blender, I'm going to put the little pieces on there, and then I'm just going to put dots all over my face and then use my beauty blender to dab it on it to blend it all in, as well as putting some on my neck as well. Next I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to draw that over my bags, under my eyes, as well as putting some on my eyelids, and as well as putting it on several strokes on my nose, as well as drawing like a V shape on the bit of my forehead, and finally just putting some dots on other spots of my face to cover up freckles. Then I'll get my beauty blender and then gently pat on it to blend that all in. Next I'm going to take my pressed powder, and using a big fluffy brush, I'm going to use that as my setting powder and then swish it all over my face in swirling motions to set it all in place. Now I'm going to go into my eyeshadow. So going in with my Pure Imagination palette, I'm going to take that yellow shade, and I'm basically just going to pack that all over my eyelid. So just pretty much just cover the entire eyelid as well as the outer crease in yellow eyeshadow as a base. Next I'm going to take my my blending brush, and just go over the yellow part just to fade it out a bit more. And then yeah, just continue applying that yellow eyeshadow to the all over your eyes. Now I'm going to go into my Lumberland palette, and taking that purple shade, I'm now going to cut my crease with that colour. Now I'm going to go into that metallic purple colour, and then blend that with the other purple shade. Now I'm going to go into that gold metallic shade, and I'm going to blend that with the outer corners, the outer sections of my eye, and blend it with the purple. Now I'm going to apply that yellowy shade under my eyelid as well. Now I'm going to go into that metallic yellow shade, and I'm going to put that on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to go into that shimmery purpley blue color, that's kind of like an iridescent thing, and basically just go over the other shades of purple from that outer crease, Jesus. Then I'm going to go back into that metallic purple shade, and just fill in the inner corners of my eyes. Now for my brows, I'm going to use that normal purple shade, and I'm going to use an angled brush, and with that I'm going to fill in my brows. And yes, I know I forgot my eyeliner and mascara again, I know, sue me. I'm going to get back to it when I realize I forgot to do it, okay? Now I'm going to go into my eyeliner. So taking my eyeliner pencil, I'm going to use that to underline my eyes. And then going to my eyeliner pen, I'm going to sort of drag my eye out a little bit, so that way it gives me a bit of a dimension to what I want to do with my eyeliner. And I think I messed it up again, I'm pretty sure, I don't remember. It's been like a couple days since I actually filmed this video, but I'm only doing the voiceover now because I'm too lazy. Because I started binge watching a show that I haven't seen since my childhood, and I needed to watch it and all that. But here I'm just doing my eyeliner, I suppose. Yeah, I suppose I didn't do too bad, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm not a professional beauty guru, so all the ones that are gurus are probably being like, no, that's bad, and I think it's okay. But anyway, now I'm going to go into my bronzer. I mean, well, I mean, it says it's bronzer and contour, so I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to take that with my, that brush. I'm going to just do backward and forward motions from the top of my ear down to my eye, my eyeball, the color part of my eye. Now for my blush, I'm going to go into that purple shade again, and I'm just going to sort of do that with a big fluffy brush and just fan out all over the place. Now I'm going to go into my highlights, so I'm going to apply swirling motions on the center of my nose, upward and downward strokes on the bridge of my nose, apply some of it on the apple of my cheeks, again with swirling motions, and also apply some on my chin as well, again with swirling motions, and even some on my forehead as well. I somehow forgot to do my mascara before. Oh well. Now I'm applying my mascara, so taking the wand, I'm going to roll up the wand on the top lash line, and for the lower lash line, I'm just going to roll it out on top of them. For my lipstick, I'm first going to apply this gold color. I'm going to apply that to the outer sections of my lips, because we're going to be filling in the inner sections with some purples. Well, now that I think about it, I probably should have used a white first or something, but now I'm going to take my purple lipstick and fill in the rest of my lips. So as I was saying just then, I probably should have just done all my lips that gold color, and then just like used a makeup wipe just to erase the middle parts or something. That would have been easier, I don't know. But as usual there, I just took my beauty blender and applied it to the, as well as my fading brush, my blending brush. I took that to the edges of the purple and the yellow just to blend it in more. And now I'm taking my setting spray, and the look is now done. And you're done. Your intersex flag-inspired makeup look is now complete. So this concludes my intersex flag-inspired makeup look. I'll see you when I do the next flag.